Yeah, man, nigga was chilling the other day, man. Nigga got a little animal with the ski mask kid. I don't know what's up with it, man. That's all the time, though. You know, bitch boy ass
Well, it's been entirely too long. Here is the update on the ATV. Made the exhaust. I did not get to record it because that piece of crap camera I had for 9 years now decided to corrupt my SD card. Luckily, I was able to at least get the videos off it from earlier. I used the OEM brake handle that was here. I kind of got neon green grips because the bike was supposed to be neon green, but you know how that turned out. This is where it sits. I made I reupholstered the seat, but yeah, it's my first time doing upholstery, so it didn't really come out as good as I wanted to. But yeah, I'm waiting for some more parts to come in from AliExpress. It's gonna take forever, but I also got the OEM throttle to work. But yeah, see you in the next one. I'm gonna start this up for you guys real quick so you can hear the exhaust sound. I'm in my basement, so it's not gonna be for too long. That's all fucking. This exhaust was originally for a Honda Grom that I had. Check back on my older video, but yeah, works good. Sounds great.